Welcome to our tutorial on how to schedule reports, predictive purchasing and restocking tasks in Sellercloud. Scheduled tasks allow you to automate certain tasks and set them to recur at specific intervals. This can include tasks such as importing information, generating pick lists, and exporting information. There are over 30 task types that can be used to automate your workflow. First, we'll show you how to schedule report tasks such as report generation, inventory snapshot, inventory arrival, and Amazon reports. Go to Settings, Schedule Tasks and click Manage Schedule Tasks. Select Reports as the task type and fill in the appropriate information. Open the new task. Click Edit. You'll set your start time, recurrence, and related fields, as well as select your desired category and file name. It's also important to set the date range and set the current date of the task execution as the end date. Notifications can be sent via email or FTP, so choose the desired settings in the Export to field. Click Save. In addition to regular reports, you can also schedule Amazon reports. To schedule an Amazon report, select Amazon reports as the task type and fill in the appropriate information. Open the new task. Click Edit. You'll set your start time, recurrence, and related fields. You can also set a task expiry date. Choose a proper Amazon report type. Options include the Inventory Health Report, which contains detailed information about your FBA inventory, and the FBA Fee Preview Report, which contains detailed information about shipping specifics such as dimensions and pricing on your FBA inventory. Once you've chosen your Amazon report type, all you need to do is set the export to field, either via FTP or email. Click Save. Sellercloud also lets you schedule predictive purchasing and restocking tasks. These tasks will analyze your sales data and suggest purchase orders or restocking actions based on that data. Some other tasks that you can schedule are: Run Select Query, Channel Invoice, eBay Listing Failure Report, Open Purchase Order Reminder, Hazmat Preview, and FBA Reconciliation. Now, let's look at how to schedule an Open Purchase Order Reminder. This task will take unreceived items units from purchase orders and generate an Excel file with those items and quantities. It will only pick POs that are in saved, ordered, or pending statuses, and POs will automatically be emailed to the vendor. To schedule this task, select Open Purchase Orders Reminder as the new task type and fill in the appropriate information. Choose a vendor. The task is vendor specific, so you'll need a separate task for each vendor. Enter an older than days value. The task will only look at POs older than this value. Create a template for open PO reminders and set it to the purchase order reminder template assignment. The generated Excel file will be attached to the email and sent to the email address on the vendor profile. Click Save. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to schedule tasks. Thanks for watching.